Good morning. Sorry about the way I look, but I wanted to get this message out to all of you. And I'm dressed in my exercise clothes, but I wanted to make sure that all of you knew this first thing. It was brought to my attention that there was an assignment, a 100-point assignment that showed up on week 3 that really shouldn't have. It's an old assignment with this course. I honestly didn't know that you could see it. I thought only I could see it. About half of you did the assignment because you saw it, I guess, in with your grades. So I was trying to come up with a fair way to handle this. So what I've decided to do is that anybody who did the assignment can either choose to have it be extra credit, or you can choose to not do an assignment in week 5 or week 6. I'm giving you a assignment pass. So your choice, either extra credit or skip an assignment in week 5 or week 6. Anybody who didn't do the assignment, you are welcome to do the assignment for extra credit. So I'm sorry about any confusion. I will know for next time I teach the class that they did not remove it. I feel really badly for all of you who must have felt like you were buried with work, especially during Thanksgiving week. If you have any questions, send me an email. But just to reiterate, the extra assignment, which was on assertive communication, which should not have shown up in the course, is either, if it's done, it's either extra credit or it's a free pass for missing an assignment in 5 or 6. If you choose the skip assignment, please send me an email and tell me which assignment you are going to be choosing to skip so I can keep track of it. And if you did not do the assignment, you are welcome to go back and do it for extra credit. If you're doing it for extra credit, please turn it in by next Saturday. So you have this whole week to do that extra assignment. I'm so sorry for any confusion, and I hope all of you are well and had a great Thanksgiving. Again, if there's any questions about this, please send me an email and we can set up a time to talk. Have a great week. Bye-bye.